All right, everybody. Today, what I need you to do, Mr. Gracek's going to give you your test back, and for every question that you got wrong, let's pretend this is my test here. This is question 6. I didn't do very well because I got all these blank, apparently, so they'd be all wrong. For every question that you have marked wrong, what you need to go back to the notes that we did. If you don't have them, they're in the Unit 1 assignments on Google Classroom. Go to the notes, and I said I missed question 6, so I'm going to go to objective 6. I want you to go through again the activities and the questions that we were supposed to go through in the notes and just review and look through and find the information that you were missing the first time. So for objective 6, I would click on the link, and it told me to pay attention, pay close attention to slide 4. So as I'm looking at this, slide 1, thermite, cool. Nitrogen triiodide, cool. White phosphorus, also cool. But apparently this is what I'm supposed to pay attention to. So I look and I read, the combustion of methane is an example of an exothermic reaction. More energy is released when the bonds in the products are formed than is used to break the bonds of the reactants. This is shown by a larger energy arrow coming out of the products and smaller energy arrow going into the products. Click on methane to show the breaking of the carbon-hydrogen bonds. Energy goes in, atoms broken apart. Energy goes in, atoms broken apart. Click on water to show how water is formed in the combustion. Water gets formed, energy out. Carbon dioxide form, energy out. Click on the equation to show the overall process. This is an exothermic reaction. Energy is required to break the carbon-hydrogen bonds of methane and the oxygen bonds of oxygen. However, the formation of carbon dioxide and water releases even more energy as heat and light. So here we've got some energy going in, lots of energy coming out. That makes it exothermic. So for me, I can go back to my test and I can write in some energy goes into the reactants to break the molecules apart. Then when the products are formed, energy is released. If more is released than absorbed, it is exothermic, and vice versa. If it still doesn't make sense, I can continue looking through the notes. Here's a couple readings to hopefully make sense of what's going on in chemical reactions. I want you to do this for every question that you missed, going back through, not just looking at your notes, but really going through and redoing the activities, looking at the videos, seeing what it is maybe you missed the first time to try to make sense of the information. Most of you did very well, but you missed a few key points. Like in conduction, energy is transferred particle to particle. So let's try to use this day to make sure that we have a good understanding. Monday, we'll do a Pear Deck review, and a lot of you have your ION quizzes to be studying for also. You could use this time after you get your objectives reviewed and you've gone through all the activities for each question you missed. You could make some flashcards on different apps online, or you could make some old-fashioned flashcards if you're still struggling. Have a great day, and be nice to Mr. Gracek.